Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself swimming through a long list of fields in Power BI and wishing you could just tidy everything up, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create folders in Power BI Desktop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize your data models, make your workspace cleaner, and save yourself tons of scrolling and searching later on. Let's get you working more efficiently. Alright, let's dive straight in. First, go ahead and open up Power BI Desktop. Take a moment here to let everything load. If you're like most users, you probably have a lot of different tables and fields on your canvas. Keeping all of that organized is what we're focusing on today. Next, look over to the left side of the Power BI screen. You'll see several icons stacked vertically: Report, Data, and Model. What you want to do is click on Model View. That's the one that looks like a little diagram or network. Model View is where you can see all your tables and relationships at a glance. Think of it as your Power BI map room. Now that you're in Model View, let's focus on the field we'll be organizing. Imagine you have a dataset called Indicator as a sample. You might have just one, or maybe multiple indicator fields that you'd like to keep together. Click to select all the indicator fields you want grouped. If they're next to each other, you can just shift-click to select several at once, or hold Control for non-adjacent fields, just like you would with files in Windows Explorer. With your indicator field selected, look over to the Properties panel. If you don't see the properties, don't worry, it might be collapsed. Just expand it from the right-hand side so you can see all your options. The Properties panel is where you can customize things about your fields, like their names, descriptions, and most importantly for us today, their display folders. You should see a section labeled Display Folder. This is where the magic happens. Click into the box under Display Folder and type in the name you want for your new folder. For this example, let's type Indicator Folder. As soon as you hit Enter or click Away, that folder is created for all the fields you just selected. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes Power BI needs to process the change, especially if you've selected a lot of fields. And that's really it. Your selected indicators are now grouped into a new folder, making your model view a whole lot more organized. You'll see the folder appear right away. And from here on, anytime you add new fields that belong with these indicators, you can just repeat this process and add them to the same folder. This little bit of organization might seem simple, but it can massively speed up your workflow once your project grows and the list of fields gets longer. It's like having clean labeled drawers in your kitchen instead of tossing everything into one big cabinet. You'll always know where to look, and so will anyone else who uses your Power BI file. If something doesn't look right at first, don't worry. Sometimes it just takes a moment for the folders to appear, especially in larger models. And if you make a typo or want to rename your folder later, you can just go back into the Display Folder property and change the name. So that wraps up this quick but super useful tip for organizing your fields in Power BI Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions or future Power BI topics you want covered down in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips, tricks, and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.